everyone. My name is Carol Beatty, and I am the Assistant Director of Assessment here at Texas A&M International University. If you're joining me today, I want to say welcome on this training for our General Education Assessment, as well as our Writing Intensive WIN course assessment. So I want to go ahead and get started. So thank you all again for joining me, and let me go ahead and share my screen. So this training is using APHIS for converting a Blackboard assignment to be used for APHIS. So let's get started. When using APHIS, of course, we have to log in, guys. So we strongly suggest that you use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox to log into APHIS. These are our preferred browsers. So once you're ready to log into APHIS, you're going to type in this URL code, which is tamu.aphis.net. You will need your Uconnect handy in order to log in. And of course, make sure and have your Duo Connect because it will ask for validation of user. So once you log in, you're going to see your APHIS homepage. For a lot of you, this is probably very familiar. And on the right-hand side, you will see your action items. This is how we're going to actually enter in to your assignment home. So that way you can actually convert that LMS assignment to be used for APHIS assessment. So what you want to do is you want to take your mouse and you want to hover over this blue button with the 3 white vertical dots for the course section you wish to enter. For this example, we went ahead and hovered over here, and you're going to click the image of the home. This is course home. Once you click it, you will be taken to your course section page. Now, some of this information may have been pulled already from Banner, from Blackboard itself, and we're not here to edit or mess with this information in any way. What you're actually looking for is on the left hand of your page and that menu. So let's go ahead and scroll down, and under the heading assessment, you will find assignments. Please click assignments. Once you've clicked assignments, you will be taken to your assignments homepage. Now, I do want to give a note to those faculty members who are using this, that if you click on your assignments homepage and none of your assignments are appearing, then you actually have to go back to our webpage and look at the video and the PowerPoint for creating assignments through APHIS. If, however, your assignment is located here, then you're on the right training video. So let's continue on. So what you're going to do is you're actually going to look for that assignment that you wish to use for assessment. Once you locate that assignment, you will see this blue button again. What you want to do is you want to hover over that blue button, and you will see these 3 options. What you're selecting is this square looking button that is called Manage LMS Assignment in APHIS. So this is what is going to be used to convert that Blackboard assignment to be scored through APHIS. So go ahead and click this image here, and it's going to ask, are you sure you want to convert the assignment? Yes, we are. We want to convert that assignment. So go ahead and click Yes, Convert Assignment. Once you have done that, you will see that your assignment has now changed, where previously it didn't have anything here. So you can see we also changed this one. So now you should see APHIS Managed LMS Assignment. This will let you know that you have already converted that Blackboard assignment to be used for APHIS purposes and for the assessment purposes. So now we're ready to go ahead and add our rubric into that assignment. So how do you do that? Again, hover over that blue button and now click this home button. This is going to take us to your assignment home. Now that you're in your assignment homepage, we need to add the rubric to your assignment. So how do we do that? So you can see we have our assignment name up here. We also have our submissions here and the total amount of students in your course. So what we're looking for is on the left-hand side menu, and it's entitled Grading Criteria. So go ahead and click Grading Criteria. As you can see right now, it's blank. We haven't filled in any rubrics yet. So let's go ahead and add those rubric to your assignment. Go ahead and click this edit button. It'll be located here about top right, mid right. Once you click that, it will take you to the scoring page, which is blank currently for your assignment because we haven't added any rubric. So how do you add rubric? Top left-hand corner, add rubric criteria. Now that you've clicked add rubric criteria, a box will open up where you could actually design the rubric you would like to use. However, you don't need to design any of the rubric. Our office has already uploaded every single rubric from the core curriculum and WIN assessment into APHIS. So you're going to be looking for that rubric in the rubric library. So how do you do that? Go ahead and click this button, Add from Library. Once you've done that, you're actually going to see all of the rubric domains that APHIS has to offer. To make that selection smaller, you're actually going to type the name of the outcome in the search button. For this example, I used critical thinking. I do want to make a side note that if your assignment is being used to test 2 outcomes, you do have to do this step twice, once for one outcome and then another for the second outcome. And I'll get into that as we go through. As you can see here, we've typed in critical thinking, which is the name of the outcome, and all of our core curriculum rubric have been named CC semicolon and the name of the outcome. As you can see here, we have already located some of our domains. Our office suggests pull up the TAMU core curriculum rubrics and ensure that you're adding every single one of the domains into the APHIS system. So for critical thinking, I know that there are 4 domains. Here's an example of 2. As you can see, inquiry, core curriculum, critical thinking. That is the name of the rubric that this is coming from, and this is the name of the domain. Go ahead and click this box. As you can see, this is how it looks when it's selected. This is how it looks when it's not selected, but you need to select all of the domains for that outcome being tested. That's why we say, please have the core curriculum rubrics up on screen so you can compare that you are selecting the correct domains as they are written. Once you've selected all of the domains for that one outcome, remember, if you're testing 2, you have to do this twice. So once you've done it for that one outcome, go ahead and click Add Criteria. The computer system will think for a little bit, and behind this box, you will see the rubrics that you have selected. If there's only one outcome you're testing, you're done. All you have to do is click Close. If you're testing a second outcome, you would follow those same steps again, changing the search criteria, locating the domains that you need, and adding that criteria to the assignment. Once you've added all of the rubrics that you needed to add, you can go ahead and click Close. At this point, your assignment now has the proper rubric for scoring assessment. If you want to double check here, that blank page from before should now have all of the rubric domains that you'll be using to score the student's work for core curriculum or WIN assessment. I do want to mention that those of you who are doing WIN, all you have to type is WIN, and you will find the 5 domains for that rubric located in the rubric library. So now you have added the rubric to your assignment. We're ready to go ahead and start scoring. As submissions come in, you will be able to score your students, but don't forget that you have to link your assignment. Please visit our assessment webpage to find the video as well as the PowerPoint on how to link your assignments to APHIS. If you guys have any more questions or need any additional support, you can always call my extension 2336 or email me at carol.beatty@tamu.edu. Thank you guys for being the best part of TAMU. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for being part of this assessment team. Bye now.